Guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with a haul. Yes, back up at Dollar Tree. I am loving Dollar Tree. So I also have a little bit of another haul from another store, Old Time Pottery. I'm not sure if you may have it in your city or not, but it's a decor store basically, plus some indoor and outdoor, and they have so many things. I love Old Time Pottery, and in our city they're like right next together. So all right, so I'm gonna get into this haul, but first I have to say I got in trouble. I spent a little too much at the Dollar Tree. I wasn't even planning on going for this. All I was going to Dollar Tree for was dryer sheets. That's all I intended to go for. But I had seen little Miss Thang over there, Miss Brown Eyes on the budget. She had made this beautiful fall wreath out of a splatter screen that you get from Dollar Tree. And then I saw some other ones. After I saw hers, I kind of looked at it. I was like, oh, there's something to this, even more too. So I was like, oh, I've got to do this wreath. But anyway, so I was just going to get the dryer sheets. I wasn't going to get this splatter screen today or start on the wreath or nothing. And then I saw all the fall decoration on the wall. Mind you, not only had I seen Miss Brown Eyes on the budget, her fall wreath, decor thing, but earlier today, I was watching her, she did a haul from Ross. I think it was Ross, Dollar Tree, and another store. And I'm just like, tempting. And she always has good stuff in her hauls. Oh my goodness. So anyway, nevertheless, part of this is due to Miss Brown Eyes on the budget. I just got excited when I saw that little wreath. Then I was watching another one of her videos and saw some more stuff. So anywho, let me get started. All right. From Dollar Tree, I'm going to do Dollar Tree first. Like I said, there was so many fall decorations on the wall, and they had it displayed all pretty and everything. But this is a little decor piece. It's a gold pumpkin with glitter on the outside, and this kind of swings. And I don't know if I want it to swing in the wind because it could turn to this side, and I don't want that side seen. So I'm gonna have to jimmy it up some kind of way where it doesn't swing. Also, I got this yard pick. You just stick it in the ground. It says, "Welcome to our patch." Thought that was cute. Even though I was I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. I never did the outside of my house up real big for fall. So, and this isn't just like huge. We'll see what it looks like when I get done. But it's going to look cute. It's going to look really cute. So, have this little pick here, this little stem here, that'll be for some decoration on the wreath and wherever else. I also got these little picks here, little scarecrows. I thought that was cute. And like I said, I never did I didn't overdo it. I did always put a fall wreath up. I changed the color, of course, from summer and stuff. But do a little extra this year. And of course, everything's $1 because it's Dollar Tree. So I got those little scarecrows, the little stand-up ones. So I'm going to have to see how I can jimmy them down in the ground so they won't blow over in the wind. And then I got this little door hanger. I thought this was so cute. So it'll go on the wreath. Got this little pick here. Back in there. This little pick here. Got several picks. And they'll kind of go around on the porch in the yard. We don't have a big porch, and that's one thing I'm not fond of. And we were talking about getting it extended so we can, put some chairs out there and stuff. But anyway, I'm going to try to work it up some kind of way on that front porch. But that's that. And then our shutters are blue. And I didn't think, when I was picking out the colors for my shutters and stuff and door. I just thought the blue looked pretty up against our bricks. And it's a pretty blue. I know blue is kind of not common, but it was a pretty blue. But I didn't think about adding decor when I was picking out that color. You should get neutral so that you can get different colors and it looks better for Christmas and fall, summer, and all that good stuff. So, but anywho, I do like my blue, but next time I'm gonna go neutral. Okay, there's another pick right there, fall leaves. It has a touch of shiny rust on there on a couple of the leaves. I have like this brown willow pick right there. Another, this is an orangey pick. I think it's the same, same color as the other one. I got this. That is so pretty. I don't know if the names are cattails. And yeah, they both say cattails. Sunflowers. You got those. I'm not a huge sunflower fan, but on some things they look really cute. So I thought they would look kind of nice on the wreath and, you know, for fall. So there's a sunflower, another sunflower in like an orangey color with the brown on the inside. Yes, I was excited about that. Now, these little pumpkins. And I have a few little things for fall decor down in my basement. And I might just kind of meld all this together if it looks good. But I got some pumpkins. And they'll go kind of around in the yard. And I'll try to show you all the yard when I get done. So that's that. And then this is a little decorative mesh ribbon. Has gold. It's like a cream color with gold accents. So I got that. And yeah, I was just minding my business looking for dryer sheets. And I saw them, those decorations on the wall, and I thought about Miss Brown Eyes on the Budget. I said, Lord have mercy. I love y'all. Go over there and visit her channel, Brown Eyes on the Budget. I'll try to put it right down here below. But she has good hauls all the time. She doesn't just do Dollar Tree. She does other hauls. And she shares, you know, the things she's bought on the budget and everything. And she does a few other things too. But this one, I like this one. This is so pretty. And then I got some brown leaves that kind of have a little sheen to them. Hopefully you can see those. And got this. Give thanks. And then harvest blessings. And I really need something else a little smaller. I'm going to go back and see if they have something similar but a little smaller. I have an idea for it, so we shall see. All right, moving on from the decor. I think that's, oh, no. Is that all? Yeah, that's all the decor. So, next, I found this pretty colored nail polish, and it's Revlon Color Stay Nail Polish, so it's a good polish. I hope it's a good polish anyway. Revlon usually makes good products, so has glitter on there from all the stuff it was in the bag with. But it's a pretty, this is, oh, what color is this? It doesn't say. Okay. Long Shot. 630 Long Shot. So it says color and base. So that is very pretty. It's like a fall, almost like a rusty peach. And I thought it was real pretty. Okay, and I got some aluminum foil while I was there. And this is a good aluminum foil, the 25 square feet. That's a good one. It's pretty strong. Of course, I got my toilet paper. I just always pick up some when I'm there, so we never run out. Okay, I finally did get around to the dryer sheets. Got Final Touch. This is in a weird shaped box. This is meant to be like this too. All the other boxes were like that and it was shaped like that. But smells so good. This is what my mother used. She used the liquid Final Touch when we were young and coming up. But yeah, we use dryer sheets and we use liquid. So I told y'all I like a lot of scent. We use dryer sheets and my husband likes a lot of scent too. We use dryer sheets and the softening liquid. Got Gain in the original scent. I love Gain. I love the smell of Gain. And then I got the Breezy scent also. So it smells really good. I like that. Also from Dollar Tree, I got this corrugated file holder, like a little box that holds folders and papers and stuff like this. Like that. This is for in Jalen's room. These are her colors now in here. If some of y'all didn't notice, not my oldies but goodies, y'all know my studio is in her room. I film in other places of the house, film in my room, in the kitchen and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm in her room. This is my little office corner right here, my little desk and everything when she's gone. So this room serves as dual purpose while she's gone. But anyway, it's also a guest bedroom while she's gone, like if we have company. But anyway, giving away my secrets. But anyway, this is a cute little corrugated file holder. But yeah, I like being in here. It's just a nice little, this is just a little space I need for my little office setting. I also have a little office space down in the family room. I have my actual desktop computer and files and my silhouette where I design my t-shirts and stuff like that. So I actually have a couple of spaces in the house. But I like this room. I like this little corner. It's just perfect for filming. And when I want to do some work here, I can do that here at the desk. TV's right over there. And yeah, I like her room too. Okay, moving on. We have this aluminum foil pan here. And it's good for when you want air to get under something, like when you're making something in the stove and you want air to circulate your food, whatever it is, whether it's pizza or whatever. This is good for that. I also got 2 flat pans. So 2 more aluminum pans. 2 for $1. And these long pans I just showed is 2 in a pack also. And got this splatter screen. And that is so funny though, you all. I would never have thought to use this for a wreath. So thank you so much, Miss Brown Eyes on the Budget. So I got the screen to make the wreath. So I'll be doing a DIY for that. And last thing from Dollar Tree is this shoehorn, basically. A lot of y'all know, or if you're new, you probably haven't seen it. But my husband had hip replacement a couple of years ago in 2017. So, whew, all this glitter is just stuck on here because it's plastic and it just... Anyway, in 2017, he had hip replacement surgery. Getting around real good now, in good shape. But he played sports for a long time, ever since he was a wee little boy. I think he started playing sports at the age of about 6. And all through school, he played baseball, basketball, and football. And he went to college for football. And he was a good football player, good all around in sports, but he played everything. And that kind of wore on his body, and he needed a hip replacement. And so this helps, even though he gets around good and is bending good and all that stuff. This is good for when he's putting on his shoes every day for work, or, you know, dress shoes for church or whatever, you know, slip-in shoes. And you just stand up, and it's long enough. You just stick it down in there, put your foot down in there. So he he has a little helper little thing right now, but it's not this long. He can actually stand up super straight and just put his shoes on with this. So yes, so I like that. He'll be surprised about that. Okay, on to Old Time Pottery. Ooh. You all, I got this beautiful, beautiful yard flag. I love a pretty yard flag. And they had so many at Old Time Pottery. So if you have one in your area, go up there and get you one for the fall. These are so pretty. It helps just to decorate your yard and everything. It was only $4.99. And they have so many different designs. So I love that. I'm so happy to see that because I kind of missed out on the summer flags. I got up there too late after they had put the summer stuff out and they were gone. So I just hit Old Time Pottery today just at the right time. They have plenty of fall stuff out. So if you have one, run on up there and get one if you got an Old Time Pottery in your area. And next I have this little ornament here. And it is so, so, so cute. I ended up getting 2 of those. So we'll see where we put those. I got another little ornament pick. And these were $1.69 and this one was $1.99. And these were 49 cents a piece. I got 2 of those. Those are so pretty. They have a shimmer to them, a little bit of glitter. And I got some of this raffia rather. And it's basically like straw. And it just adds a nice little fall flair to your decorations. And what I've really been needing, and it was at a good price at $9.99, was this welcome mat. Because ours was just pitiful looking by the front door. But this is so pretty. I hope I got it right side up. This is so, so pretty. So that'll be going in front of our front door. And it has the gold, you know, on it. Kind of goldish brown look to it. And it'll look real nice for fall. Alright guys, so that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you so much to Miss Brown Eyes on a Budget. She was basically the inspiration for this haul. Just wanted to give a shout out to her. Go visit her on her channel. And guys, I will see you next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.